Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Keith with Tulsa Moto Club. And if you remember from one of my previous videos, one of my goals for this year was to start posting regular scheduled videos in February. So it's the first weekend in February, and I'm a lot further behind schedule than I'd like to be. And it's not just my day job that's got me busy like normal. A lot's really been going on. The holidays followed by several birthdays, then a death in the family, and then most recently, me and my girlfriend both have been sick with a really bad viral infection that we're just now recovering from. At this point, I wanted to have the SR done. It's not. I wanted to have the GS build started by now. And I still haven't. It's actually just been tucked away back here collecting dust. And the same thing goes for the CM200 build. That's the bike that I want to do in the giveaway. And I still haven't even gotten started back on that. I haven't been totally helpless though. I've actually been up quite a bit when I look at it. A lot more than just SR videos, that's for sure. You see, for me, the biggest things letting me down are only letting me down because I'm letting them. I'm really only getting slower because I'm being hard on myself for not meeting my own deadlines and expectations that I set for myself. Even when the things that interfere are things that are way out of my control, like getting sick. Seriously though, it's super silly, but sometimes I even try to talk myself into quitting this whole Tulsa Moto Club thing entirely. But truthfully, we're all capable of overcoming these in any trial really. For myself, I just have to change my language that I say about myself and about the things that I want to do, buckle down on my time, and just remind myself that hard work conquers everything. Now, what have I been up to if it's not been the SR? Well, I did do a lot of work rearranging the shop, mainly because I got a new toolbox. Now I also made a clean area so that I could have a place to mount my screen press, and it's a place where I can have it like a nice tidy clean spot to do leather work when I need to do it as well. Pretty proud of the cabinet I built too. Speaking of leatherwork, the bag that I made for the SR is all done, and that video is all finished as well. That'll be posted next week, so make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. I've also taken some of the time to work on the new website for Tulsa Moto Club. More on that in a second. Another one of my goals was to plan a bike show and do a bike giveaway, both of which the planning for is underway, but it's a little too early to talk about any of that yet. When the time's right, I'll make a whole separate video all about that just to inform you guys on what's going on with that, where it stands, and how maybe you can get your chance to win a free motorcycle. Now back to the website. The current website will be going down here just about over a month. When it does go down, I'll announce when the new website will launch. But with the old website going away, that means all the old merchandise is going away. So with the launch of the new one, there will be a few new designs and everything, but everything that is currently in the shop right now is still available and it's marked down super crazy. That way if you want to pick anything up to help support me and what I'm doing on this channel, now's the time to do it. Everything's cheaper than it's ever been and really not making any kind of profit. I just want your guys' support. It's really encouraging. And yeah, like I said, if you want something, make sure you get it before the site goes down. I do truly super appreciate all of you who have already bought merchandise from my website before. It really does mean a lot to have your support, and it just helps me get that much closer to making Tulsa Moto Club a full-time thing like I want it to be. But we'll call it a day there. Remember, if you like this video and you like my channel and what I'm all about here, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And remember to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. That way you don't miss out on any of the videos I have coming out in the future. I'll throw a couple other videos up here that you might like to watch too. And as always, thanks for watching. Later.